Hey everyone, it's Rick. How you doing? Today I was thinking about let's just lay out a painting in burnt umber with some. I'm using an oil brush, believe it or not, because it's a lot. The bristles are heavier, so you can design better with the brush. And I'm just using water and burnt umber, and we're gonna try and design a landscape with it'll help you design better. So I'm thinking about having two mountains in here. So what I'm going to do is start over here by putting an outline of a mountain in here. One in the back, just the peaks here. And then I'm going to have one over here on the side. Just like that. Now I have this side, the dark side. The light's going to be on the coming in from the right. It's a good way to get your landscape designed if you're kind of in a rut. There's our mountains, okay, and then lightly get some underpaint on the other part of the mountain. See, I'm just lightly hitting it, okay. Let's put some let's have maybe a hill coming from here across the front like that, and then maybe a hill from back here coming across down this way. And then take your brush now and kind of scum in the color down underneath, just to darken it up a bit. What this is going to end up being is like your underpaint, okay? Just like that. And I'm using an oil brush, fan brush to design this. Doesn't that look cool? Let me see what it looks like in the frame. Yeah, it's coming out good. And let's see. Let's just keep running some hills in here and see what happens. Maybe we'll have a hill coming across from here now, coming down. Just like that. Get some water on your brush, and then you'll be able to manipulate the color a little more. Just like that. That look cool? And then I'll put another hill in here. Maybe coming straight across here. Just like that. Some water. It's a good way to design things if you're in a rut, you know. And now maybe right here, what we could do, maybe I'll have maybe we'll have a tree in here. So I'm going to kind of lightly put a tree in here. Just to see what it would look like. Put a tree there. Maybe a smaller one here. So you could design your piece like this. if you're running out of ideas. And it's kind of fun. It's different, you know. Then when you're done with this will be your underpaint, and then you just start putting color on it. Maybe I'll do that on part 2. Maybe I'll run this way here. Just keep adding to it, just like that, and I think it looks kind of cool so far, don't you? And you can wipe your brush off, add a little water to it, and you can come in here then scum underneath like this, and keep moving your paint around. Maybe get some cool things going on in there, okay? Just like that. It's looking pretty good.
Very.
Put some, it's not done yet. We could put some bushes down here. I did all this with just a fan brush. Just get it a little wet and then pull some of the color to the side. Create some, maybe a hills in there. There, you got some bushes down there. That look cool? What I'll probably do, let's see if we can run could run a path from way back here coming through here like this if you wanted. It's looking pretty good. You could put maybe some distant trees on this hill back here. Just like that. Just showing you ideas. How to design with burnt umber. Looks pretty good so far. I like it. I'm gonna grab a bigger brush and I'll put some clouds up here now. Let's put some color up here first, and then I'll put some dark spots for clouds. Just make sure you wet your brush a little so the paint moves for you. Maybe get some cool things going on up in the sky there. There you go. It's almost done. I kind of like it. I might end up painting this one just the way it is. Looks pretty good. Put some small clouds down in here. All right, I kind of like it. There you go, quick design in burnt umber acrylic using a fan brush. It's not bad. All right, guys. Just an idea for you. Cheers.